Welcome, German Language for Beginners, Lesson 2. Teacher Anand Mohandas. Let's look at some question words. Questions. In English, we say where, what, how, when, why. Wo is German for where. Woher is where. Wohin is where. Some sentences using wo is. Wo is this museum? Where is the museum? Woher kommen Sie? Where do we come from? Wohin gehen wir? Where are we going? Was is what? Where is who? Wem is to whom? Wem haben Sie das Essen gegeben? Who did you give the food to? Warum is why. Warum gehen Leute ins Kino? Why do people go to the cinema? Wann is when. Wann haben Sie Geburtstag? When is your birthday? Wann haben Sie Geburtstag? When is your birthday? Was sind Sie von Beruf? What is your profession? So you reply, Ich bin Computertechniker. I am a computer technician. Wo arbeiten Sie? Where do you work? Zu Hause. At home. Was sind Sie von Beruf? Is what is your profession? Ich bin Computertechniker. I am a computer technician. You can be a doctor, you can be a nurse. If you are a computer technician, you can say, Ich bin Computertechniker. Ich bin Susan, ich trinke Tee, I drink tea. Du bist mein Freund, you are my friend. Ist mein bester Freund, he is my best friend. Sie sind beste Freunde, they are best friends. You can see, I am, you are, he is, they are. I am is ich bin, du bist, you are. Ist, he is. Sie sind, they are. Sie sind beste Freunde, they are best friends. Ich trinke Tee, I drink tea. Du bist mein Freund, you are my friend. Ist mein bester friend. So let's see the German pronouns in present tense. So, to be is I. If you conjugate to be, it is I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you guys are, they are. So same in German, sein. If you conjugate sein, ich bin, du bist, ist, sie ist, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. We is plural, you guys are is plural, they are is plural. So there are some sentences. Ich bin 10 Jahre alt. I am 10 years old. 10 is 10. 10 is 10 in German. Du bist nett, you are kind. Ist mein bester Freund. He is my best friend. So she is. You can read on. German articles. Articles. The man is masculine. The man, we say der man. The woman, die Frau. The book, das Buch. So whether to use der, die or das, depending on the gender of the noun. So if you say in masculine gender, you use der. Feminine, you use die. Neuter, you use das. Days, months, seasons are all masculine. So, der Montag, the Monday, der Montag. Name of ships, aircraft or motorbikes, etc. are feminine. We can see the Titanic. Colors which they are used as nouns are neuter. So color is neuter. So das rot, the red. Rot is red. Some questions are answered. What is your occupation? When you say, in English you say, I'm a student. So, or he is an architect in German. In German, you leave out the a or an. You will say instead, ich bin Studentin or ich bin Student. Er is the architect. So, what is your occupation? Was machen Sie beruflich? I work at bank. Ich arbeite bei einer Bank. Where do you work? Wo arbeiten Sie? At McDonald's. By McDonald's. There are some common profession there. Taxi driver is masculine. Their Lehrer, die Lehrerin, teacher can be male or female. So if it is female, we use feminine. It is die. Danke.